Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to view account creation date on Facebook. So for you to be able to do that, you have to open your Facebook app, then you click on the menu icon. From there you tap on the gear button, which is the settings, then you tap on the meta account center. From there then you click on your information and permission. Once you click on it, then you click on access your information. So from there you scroll down a little, then you tap on your personal information, and from here you're gonna find the option where you can review, or where you can see, or where you can view, or where you can check your account creation date on Facebook. And you can see on this Facebook account, the Facebook account is August 16, 2022, and that is this Facebook account creation date, and that is how to find it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.